starting off CNC break 22,910. The Monster. So again, guys, we got 2 big spots being given away. And as stated, the Monster that we're going to do for this upcoming week is going to be the last chance to get 2 spots. So, rookie for Vegas of Hayes, rookie for the Jets of Eismont, silver of Bunting for the Leafs, color variant for San Jose of Raska, silver of Sorokin for the Islanders, rainbow for the Red Wings of Bertuzzi, rookie for the Jackets of Blankenberg, silver of Doughty for LA, Gooley rookie for Montreal. Rookie for the Maple Leafs, Abruzzese, Bobby Brink for Philadelphia rookie, silver rookie of Fagemo for LA. We got a Norris blue mini for Ottawa. Rookie for Carolina of Kochetkov, silver of Olesen for the Avs. We got a mini of Zuccarello for Minnesota. All right. You know what? We'll do the SP and then Series 2 and then the extended one by one. We've got a blue for Buffalo of Stahl. We've got a rookie of Mitchell for the Hawks. We've got a 22.99 Romanov for Montreal. SP for the Anaheim Ducks of Hakanpää. Give me my prediction. Profiles for Florida of Barkov and a brown for LA. I feel like we're going to get some sort of... it's okay. I get it. Patch auto number to 10. Hamilton blue for Carolina. And a Authentics for the Rangers of K'Andre Miller. So that's my call. A patch auto number to 10. I just don't know where it's coming from. But I think that's going to be our big pull. Cousins for Buffalo blue rookie and a Miro Heiskanen for Dallas blue. Profiles for Carolina of Svechnikov and a Larkin to 9.99 for the Red Wings. Gold. We've got a blue of Zuccarello for Minnesota and a Stützle for Ottawa rookie. We've got a Vanacek blue for the Caps. And we got a Gensel for the Penguins blue. Yeah. How many ways can you spell it? He'll get there. It only took him 3 tries officially. I have confidence he'll get there. To be fair, I always call him Cheech. And let's be honest, that's not exactly how his name is. So, you know, tick for tat, right? We got a Young Guns for the Rangers of Longfist. Dazzlers for Boston, Taylor Hall. Yeah, fair is fair. He gets the Jeff pass. He's allowed to spell it wrong. As long as I can keep calling him Cheech. We got a Young Guns canvas of Kotchev for LA. Kotchev. Young Guns of Willman for Philly. Jeff gets it. That's funny. Yef. Yeah, Yef could be. It's more of the European style. I could see that. We got a die cut for the Rangers of Lafreniere. Rainbow of Comtois for the Ducks. Rookie of Ranoonen for the Rangers. And a yellow taxi for the, yellow surge for the Blue Jackets of Domi. Rookie of Demani for Dallas. Rookie of Swayman for Boston. We've got a yellow surge of Davies for Nashville. Sweet selections for the Red Wings, Veleno. Sunset of Addison for Minnesota. And a rookie of Lundqvist for the Rangers. Rookie of Salo for the Islanders. Yellow surge of Chychrun for the Coyotes. Marquee rookie of Sillinger for the Jackets. Retro Halebuck for the Jets. But holy Dan and Cheech today, did I have a fun day. We had a customer. The one thing I always love is when customers just never admit that it could be on their end that they were wrong. This is not possible sometimes. It blows my mind. No matter what you say to them. No matter how many times you correct them. We've got a holographics for the Minnesota Wild of Brock Faber. So yeah, back and forth today. That was fun. Silver skates of Braden Point for Tampa. And for L.A. Dubois retro. We've got a rookie gems, a double diamond for Nashville of Askarov. Seeing red gold for Ottawa of Tarasenko. And a Kulik for Buffalo Young Guns. Oh my gosh, yeah. It's fun sometimes. Silver skates of Beniers for Seattle. Seeing red for Tampa of Stamkos. And we got a Dufour for the Islanders. Retro Young Guns. We've got a Seeing red for the Rangers of Panarin. Malkin, Dazzlers for the Penguins. And a first draft of Fantilli for the Blue Jackets. So long story short, Cheech, and of course everyone else, essentially the person bought a box and thought he was getting a case, and then he thinks that we're the ones in the wrong. Because somewhere in the configuration area, it shows that there's boxes in a case. So he thinks that apparently that means he's going to get a case. But we're the wrong ones. We don't know what we're doing. I just find that stuff comical. Lovely, yeah. So lovely. We've got a canvas for the Maple Leafs of Tavares. Young Guns for Vancouver of Chatfield. Marquee rookies, a retro of Reed Duke for Vegas. Marquee rookies for Nashville, Connor Ingram. Portraits for Dallas of Ottinger. Wouldn't that be nice to get an entire case for like 90 bucks? That would make sense, wouldn't it? Young Guns of Hagel for Chicago. Young Guns for Calgary of Yellison. Portraits for Vancouver of Di Pietro. Canvas for Dallas of Pavelski. And a Bertuzzi Dazzlers for the Red Wings. More award winners for Minnesota of Dumba. And for Vegas Dazzlers of Shea Theodore. So, Cheech, you made me do a call of what I think the best card will be. Young Guns canvas for the Jets of Harkins. What's your call of what the big hit will be? Marquee rookies for the Hawks of Entwistle. Ooh, that's kind of cool. These are rare and hard to get. Rookie dual materials for the Penguins of Angelo and Joseph. Dual jersey. Ooh, Young Guns Kaprizov. Come on, focus. For Minnesota. He is doing well this year. So that is a solid hit. Congrats, Minnesota. Young Guns for the Montreal Canadiens of Vaj Demo. Portraits for Carolina of Geeky. Marquee rookie for Chicago of Entwistle. Marquee rookie blue of Robertson for the Maple Leafs. Marquee rookies for Calgary of Zagadulin. And portraits for Montreal of McNiven. And a Dazzlers of Kurashev for the Hawks. Pinho Young Guns for Washington. Canvas of Camper for the Coyotes. Marquee rookies of Robertson for Dallas. Ordered another one today, Ryan. So nothing crazy, eh? That's a bummer. Is that the one that I helped you with? Is that correct? Electro of Heeshear for the Devils. Oh, really? Boo. Young Guns of Ruotsalainen for Buffalo. Well, the good news, though, in baseball, you just never know, right? In a few years, you just never know. For Dallas, canvas of Jamie Benn. My apologies, I couldn't have picked a better one for you. We got a Kucherov for Tampa, Electro. On a roll for the Panthers of Barkov. Canvas for the Blue Jackets of Bjorkstrand. Oh, that's pretty sweet, Cheech. Young Guns canvas for Buffalo of Bryson. 2027. Electro of Kaprizov for Minnesota. You know, it's only a few years. Wait, come on. Young Guns for Nashville of Davies. Young Guns for Chicago of Kalniuk. Dazzlers for Ottawa, Stutzel. Canvas for LA of Kopitar. Portrait of Matthews for the Leafs. You know, that's a tough one to say, Cheech, to be honest. I would have said that I didn't expect him to have a good year this year after last year. Keandre Miller for the Rangers debut. But he seems to be holding up on that. Dazzlers for Anaheim, Zegras. Debut for Vegas of Krebs. Portrait of Addison for Minnesota. Young Guns for the Red Wings, Veleno. Like, here's the honest thing, Cheech. If you can get another 50, 60 goal season, who knows? Maybe he's got another 2 or 3 of them in him. I don't think it's a wrong decision. Let me put it that way. Carlson for San Jose Canvas. To sell him now. Like, he's pretty hot right now, so. Young Guns for Tampa, Ross Bolton. Dazzlers for the Maple Leafs of Morgan Riley. Yeah, he's still got some time. Portrait of Ovechkin for the Caps. You know, if he's anything like Ovechkin, he'll be scoring, 50 goals when he's like 40. Hundo P for Vegas, Alex Pietrangelo. And that's a good one. Young Guns, Jeremy Swayman. Sweet. 2 solid rookies in the boxes, the Kaprizov and the Swayman. Ice, ice, baby. You got Boston? I would grade the Swayman if I was you. Anything Swayman is going to be good. I'm a Leaf fan, and even I can admit anything Swayman is good. It hurts me to say it, but it's true. For the Boston Bruins, Aiken Green, Sub-Zero of Goudreau for Calgary, and a rookie of Allison for Philly. Green of Provorov for Philly, rookie of Tomasino for Nashville. $7.99 for the Red Wings of Cider. Cider to $7.99. We've got a green of Arvidsson for LA, a rookie for the Penguins of Zahorna. Sub-Zero Auto, Olofsson for Buffalo. You have what, Dallas and Colorado? Oh, you'll be fine. We got a lot of content still to go. For the Red Wings, Veleno Green, Crystals of Stützle for Ottawa, and a Lundqvist for the Rangers, rookie. Dazzlers for Arena for the Red Wings. Sorry, not Dazzlers. Green for the Red Wings of Arena. We got a Holtz for the Devils, and a Caulfield for Montreal, rookie. Dazzlers. We got a McDavid Green for the Oilers. Crystals of Marchessault for Vegas. Rookie for the Devils of Mercer. Markstrom for Calgary. The legend. I love it. The legend Kaprizov. We've got a Mercer Green for the Devils. Crystals of Cider for the Red Wings. And a rookie of Eklund for the Sharks. Green of Rust for Pittsburgh Penguins. Minnesota Wild, Backman rookie. And a $12.99 Samuelson for the Buffalo Sabres. We've got a green of Toffoli for Montreal. Holtz orange for the Devils. And a Hardman for the Hawks rookie. Green of Purinovich for the Blues. A rookie for the Panthers of Lundell. And a Panthers Shrines of Huberdeau. We've got a green green of Ehlers for the Jets. McAvoy orange for Boston. And a Pinto, rookie for Ottawa. Green of Pasternak for Boston. A rookie for the Capitals, Protas. $3.99 Drury for Carolina. We've got a $12.99 Stuart Skinner for the Oilers and an orange of Besser for Vancouver. All right. What is next? We'll do the tin. Tinny, tin, tin, tin. See, Cheech, here's the honesty to that. I don't disagree there's a lot of parallels in ice, but here's a double-edged sword. If you want to see more commonly the bigger names, you need more parallels, right? So it is that kind of which one do you want. Emberson for San Jose Young Guns. Instinctive for Vancouver of Demko, and a Deep Roots of Malkin for the Penguins. Golossi of Draisaitl for the Oilers. Vancouver Portraits Pedersen. PC Crosby for the Penguins. We've got an Instinctive Sparkle of Thompson for Vegas. Laurie Young Guns for Boston. And a Deep Roots for Vegas of William Karlsson. We've got a Young Guns of Giroux for Minnesota. Eclectic of Point for Tampa. And a Zegras for Anaheim Canvas. Golossi of Robertson for Dallas. Monster Season McDavid for the Oilers. PC of Zegras for Anaheim. Golossi of Kachuk for Florida. Honor Roll of McMahon for Maple Leafs. Instinctive of Shesterkin for the Rangers. We've got a Young Guns of Samoskevich for Florida. Luke Hughes Portraits for, or Honor Roll for the Devils. Director of Boards of Maroon for Tampa. Golossi Gold of Svozil for the Jackets. Portraits of Kucherov for Tampa. PC for Vegas of Eichel. We've got a Marner Dazzlers for the Leafs. McTavish Dazzlers for the Ducks. Skinner. Well, it's kind of mangled, and yeah, one got mangled. It's funny, the other ones are all good, but the back one was not. But yeah, so Cheech, that is the honest truth with a lot of products nowadays. If you want to see the main guy more often, or main guys more often, then sadly you need to be able to have more parallels. The other side of the coin is that the bigger hits are harder to get, but you barely ever see them. Now, it might make it more valuable though. Like, I'll give you that. That could be the benefit. We've got well, I got all this mixed up there. There we go. A number to 299 of Timo Meier for the Sharks. And number to 99 per row rookie renditions auto for Anaheim. So I don't really know which way is the best way to go. You can make points on both sides. So renditions for LA of Spence. And a $2.99 for Minnesota, Generations of Parise. For the Blue Jackets, Sillinger, number to 199. And a $2.99 acetate of Bordello, or Plexi, sorry. We've got a Generations of Raymond for the Red Wings. And number to 699, Kochitka for Carolina. We've got number to 999 for the Devils, Okachuk. And a Michelli for the Coyotes. That's a cool one. Rendition's 2-color jersey. Generations of Kane for the Hawks. And a $6.99 for the Hawks of Doug Wilson. Like, again, just being completely candid, there is no right or wrong on that scenario. Some collectors will love the idea of seeing lots of Bedard. Like, I'll give you a good example. Allure. 23-24, we had one box where there's 5 Bedards, right? One box with 5 Bedards. SBA, we had one case where there was 1 Bedard. For the Capitals, Ovechkin jersey. So it's like, which is the better alternative? We've got for the Hawks, Bowden, number to 299. Lustrous rookie auto. Bowden. For Vancouver, Brock Besser, $2.99. Do not want to lose my knife in the pit of cardboard. And we got a Radiance, number to 150 of Evgeny Malkin. Like, I would equate it to almost like, to Cheech, it's like almost like group breaks, right? We have a lot of people that, you know, don't join the group breaks that generally will give you a guaranteed hit or probably 4, 5, 6 hits, but they prefer almost the high-end gamble ones, premieres, cups, etc. Right? They would almost rather that scenario. We got a black rainbow for the Islanders of Pajot. Number to 199, Comtois for the Ducks. And a Drysdale for Anaheim, a rookie. Orange slice of Crosby for the Penguins. Minnesota rookie of Addison. And an iced out number to 99 of Veleno for the Red Wings. We've got a color flow of Kaprizov for Minnesota. Iced out of Teravainen for Carolina. And a Kupari rookie for LA. Red Rainbow for Anaheim, McTavish. Color flow of Addison for Minnesota. And a rookie of Podkolzin for Vancouver. Black Rainbow for Vancouver of Quinn Hughes. Bread baskets for Vegas of Leonard. And a rookie of Zegras for Anaheim. Black Rainbow of Anaheim, McTavish. Quartz of Stone for Vegas. And a rookie of Prosvetov for the Coyotes. Color flow of Runta for the Avs. A rookie of Luukkonen for Buffalo. And for Seattle, Cole Lind. Red Rainbow rookie auto. For Seattle. We've got a red rainbow for Seattle of Giordano. Swayman control room for Boston. And a cider for the Red Wings rookie. All right, Metal Universe. We've got a Z-Force of Caulfield for Montreal. And a rookie for the Rangers of Cooley. We've got a PMG number to 100 of Tkachuk for Florida. Matthew Tkachuk. That's kind of cool. And a rookie Fantilli for the Blue Jackets. Net, what are these called again? Netrageous for Philadelphia of Cal Peterson. Netrageous. Followed by a rookie of Beecher for Boston. We've got a meltdown for Anaheim, Leo Carlson, and a rookie for the Nashville Predators, Evangelista. Premium of Dufour for the Islanders, and a rookie of Samoskevich for Florida. Metal Retro for the Oilers of Desharnais, and a Matt Murray rookie for Dallas. Premium for Florida of Sordiff, and a rookie of Luke Hughes for the Devils. Constellations of Kuzmenko for Vancouver, and a Poitras for Boston rookie. Retro Metal of Phil for Chicago, and a Cooley for the Coyotes rookie. Premium player for Vegas, Mark Stone, and for Calgary, Peltier rookie. Explosions for Tampa of Point, and a Kessel for the Blues rookie. Metal Universe of Samoskevich for Florida, and a Minton rookie for the Maple Leafs. Constellations of McCann for Seattle, and a Ridley Gregg for Ottawa rookie. Premium of Savoy for the Oilers, and a Nemec for the New Jersey Devils rookie. T. Torrey of Coronado for Calgary, and a Brock Faber for Minnesota rookie. Lure. All right, let's see if we can match the 5 Bedards like we did before. We've got a black rainbow of Ovechkin for the Caps, color flow Perfetti for the Jets, and a Leo Carlson rookie, followed by a red rainbow auto, Anton Lundell. What's my biggest personal pull? Interesting question. Let me think about that one. Black Ice of Thomas for the Blues. Polished Pros of Burns for Carolina. Fantilli for the Blue Jackets. Color Flow. And a Nestorenko for Anaheim. It probably, again, if you're including the inflation, we've got a orange slice of Eric's Neck for Minnesota. Hagel Tampa Bay Allure, Lumber Masters. Color Flow Atkinson for Philly. And a Coronado for Calgary. It probably would be the Crosby still. I also did open a Crosby Future Watch Auto, which at the time wasn't that huge. Obviously big enough. Evangelista Black Ice rookie for the Preds. Ice Breakaway of Forster for Philly. Color Flow for Buffalo of Tuck. And a Doer for Calgary rookie. So I'll say technically along the lines of that. Black Ice of Drysdale for the Ducks. Golden Goalies of Vladar for Calgary. Color Flow of Jack Eye for Montreal. Evangelista for the Preds rookie. Red Rainbow for Sharks of Hurdle. Color Flow Fantilli for the Jackets. Rookie of Kessel for the Blues. Polished Pros to $3.99 of Newhook for the Montreal Canadiens. See, a lot of my big pulls are the ones that are big now. Like at the time, the Crosby I think was like $800. Red Rainbow of Dufour for the Islanders. Matthews Color Flow for the Leafs. LaFerriere for LA rookie. And number to 35, Bolduc for the Islanders. Well, we actually opened that twice, which is even funnier to think about. We actually opened that twice. I thought you meant personal as in me during my boxes. We've got a Marchenko for the Jackets, Hyman for the Oilers, Colorful Bedard for the Hawks, and a Marilinen for Ottawa. If you meant my biggest pull of just opening on here, then it's way bigger than that. Like I've opened, for example, for the company, obviously for you guys, several McDavid 99s. I've opened a red McDavid out of 12 tag auto. For the Maple Leafs, Holmberg. We've opened the Crosbys, which are really cool. Ashley actually opened one of the biggest cards, you know, of the year that time. She got the Gretzky McDavid Dual 101 Black Auto. That was McDavid rookie year. So that's got to be one of the big ones. I opened the 97 of 999 Future Watch Auto of McDavid. So God knows what that would be worth right now. We've got for Chicago, Bobby Hull. Base. For the Avalanche, Landeskog. For Ottawa, Kastelic to 399. For Anaheim to 99, John Gibson. For Anaheim, Dostal, number to 75. Yeah, the Future Watch Autos to number 97 of 999. That was pretty sweet. Actually, Dusty, I also opened the black Future Watch Auto of McDavid. For the Coyotes, number to 55, Brett Hull. Oh, I love it. Hence why I've been doing it for so long. For the Wild, Eriksson Ek. Base auto. And we got for Vegas, Leonard. See, that's why, Dusty, like, I have literally seen everything. I have seen Young Gun, or, like, Series 1 and 2 boxes with, like, 96 Young Guns in there. I have seen many boxes with nothing in there. We've had boxes that were QA boxes at Upper Deck, where when we open it, there's an elastic and a decoy in there. We have literally seen, I think, everything you can possibly see in a box of cards. For the most part. We've got number to 299, Vlasic. We've had a hair tie. We've seen that in the box too. 299, Vlasic for Chicago. For Montreal, Ultimate Signature Rookies of Harris. Ah, Dusty, we appreciate that. A dual jersey of Timo Meier and Carlson for the Sharks. Dual jersey. And $7.99 Fix Wolonski for the Jackets. Oof. That was a weak box. Ugh. Rewind that one. Yucky. It's spa time. We've got an Evolve, so that'll be a random of Tage Thompson. Pageantry for the Jackets of Jurisic. And a red for the Penguins of Jari. We've got a Collabs Blue for Montreal. Pageantry of Cheevers for Boston. And a red Future Watch for Buffalo of Rusick. Focus of McDonough for Vegas. Pageantry of Crosby for the Penguins. Future Watch red of Connor Zary for Calgary. I would call my spot. Collabs of the Coyotes. Pageantry Connor Bedard for Chicago. And an Ehlers red for the Jets. Focus of Greg for Ottawa. Pageantry for the Jets of Cal Connor. Future Watch red, Stauber for the Hawks. We've got for Calgary, Pageantry auto, Coronado. You talking about the forums, Dusty? Where you posted on there and it's like spots 279. That was fun. A lot of updating. Evolve of Pavelski and a McDavid red for the Oilers. Focus of Askarov for the Preds. Zuccarello red for the Wild. 99 gold of Kessel for the Blues. We've got a Spectrum for the Hawks, Seth Jones, a blue Evolve of Zuccarello, and a Future Watch red for Vancouver, McDonough. We got a Sign of the Times, Vejamelka for the Coyotes. I feel like this chair needs WD-40. Collabs for the Blue Jackets, and a Jurisic red for the Blue Jackets. A Retro Future Watch Auto to $6.99, Stauber for Chicago. A Focus of Coronado for Calgary, and a McCowan for the Blue Jackets. What's the last personal box you ripped? What was it? Platinum, I think? 23, 24? I'm a big Platinum junkie, to be honest. I love opening Platinum. We've got for the Maple Leafs, Matt Sundin, $3.49. We've got a 99 Jewels of the Draft patch auto for the Florida Panthers of Denisenko. Patch auto. Beautiful patch, Denisenko. That's a nice one. For the Red Wings, Cup winner patches, Gordie Howe. Gordie Howe. We've got a run for the Cup, number to 99 for Dallas, Brett Hull. Hull. We've got an Allison, $2.49 Diamond Futures for Philly. And an extra exquisite jersey for the Boston Bruins of Swayman. Extra exquisite. Yeah, we have literally, Dusty, for the most part, seen, heard, and pretty much done everything you can possibly do. So that's why I always find it funny. We don't get shocked pretty much by anything anymore from what we hear or we see. No, that was a die cut. The run for the cups are die cut cards. Really, really nice subset. Even Dusty, if you remember back in the day when we had the one big cup break and the one cup case was, what do you call it? Not a fake. I can't remember how you would word that. Basically redone. That was fun. So we've seen and opened it all. Luckily we have the best distributor in the world who's always going to back us up on these things. $2.49 for Florida of Ekblad. $2.49 Ekblad. Oh, nice. Number to 24. Gold rookie auto patch. Jurisic. Beautiful patch. Gold RP, or RAP technically. That's a nice one. Ooh, nice. We've got an expanded materials, number to 25 for Buffalo, Tage Thompson. Tage Thompson, beautiful for Buffalo, congrats. For the Coyotes, Gunther, logo marks. Logo marks, Coyotes. Triple Mam, number to 35 for Tampa, Stamkos, Point, Kucherov. Love the goat head Buffalo jersey, yeah. Out of 35 for Tampa. And we've got a The Show to 99, Artemi Panarin. All right, well, time to do the big fun randoms now, guys. So, number 1 spot and the first random will get the spot in 23,000. The number 2 spot will get the Premier Box, which is pretty damn sweet. And then we'll do the multi-spot for the other one. So, good luck, everyone. 3 times. Top 2 people are going to get the first 2 prizes, which is the 23,000 spot and the Premier Box 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Roar is going to get a 23,000 spot. And Cheech, congrats on the Premier, sir. Next up is another 23,000 spot. 3 times, guys. 1, 2, Scott 79M. Congratulations, sir.